What's up guys, CarVisionLA here. We're out here with Steve from StevesPOV. Got the Ferrari 599 GTB, got the 1971 Hakosuka GTR. Check it out on Steve's channel. We're gonna meet up with some other YouTubers, StradMan, Effspot, a lot of other people. Let's go. And this is our ride for today. Let's see how it goes. Alright, we're about to do an acceleration pull in the Ferrari 599. Let her rip, Steve. Whoa! Oh my god!
We didn't have a lot of space, unfortunately. We got cars in front of us, but we got a little idea. That was second gear, but...
Whoa! That's probably the most excited you'll probably ever see me.
I haven't seen you get that excited before, so yes, first time I've seen you that excited. That's good. That old Ferrari will do that to you.
This is absolutely amazing. Remember to go check out Steve from StevesPOV. Awesome videos on American, Japanese car culture. A little less serious than me. I'll leave a link to his information in the description down below. I've been helping out with some of his videos. Really cool channel. Got the Hakosuka GTR, got some really awesome Ferraris, Lamborghinis.
Here comes the Hako, man. You want to check it out?
Everything. We got the Hako behind us.
Here he comes.
Absolutely amazing opportunity. See if we can get the Hako in frame right now. The Hako is getting more attention than this Ferrari 599. Everyone's stopping to take pictures. We can't get any pictures of the cars, but let's go. Let's check it out. Cameraman, so I can run the clock right now. Got Steve revving up his 1971 Hakosuka GTR. Hilarious horn right here. Got the StradMan over here. Effspot. Two of my favorite YouTubers. This is quite a meetup, guys. Got the 599, StradMan's 570S Vorsteiner. See if we can take a look inside. Alright, we are at an undisclosed location here in the San Fernando Valley. Got some really sick cars behind me. Gonna launch up the drone. Got the 570S, StradMan's 570S, Effspot's Jaguar F-Type SVR, Steve's 1971 Hakosuka GTR, as well as we got the Ferrari 599. Right behind me, got the StradMan right here. So right now I just got my drone stuck in the tree, and James from the StradMan is my savior. He climbed all the way up and caught it for me. I love you, James.
Man.
Is the camera recording?
I have no idea.
StradMan, the real MVP.
Did it handle that pretty soon?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you send that to
Round
White Test Jr.? White Test Jr. I'm coming after you. Okay, later.
We're turning.
Okay.
Hey Nish, will the drone still work?
Okay.
Alright, Nish.
IMU initializing.
Oh, now we're rolling.
Hey!
We're good. Nice.
Stradman, you the real MVP.
Yeah, I'm glad to help.
It's a clutch
I need to
performance.
get the climbing out of my system. I'm a climber. So
To put that into perspective, he climbed all the way to the top of that tree on the left right there. Pretty crazy, huh? And that drone is right there. It's flying nicely. Real MVP Stradman.
Alright guys, we are in a 17,000 square foot house here in Chatsworth. We got the cars, we got Stradman behind here. This is a game room, bunch of vintage games right here. 1990s, 1970s. Absolutely crazy house. I'm going to show you guys around. What do you think of this house?
I don't even know where to begin. I've never seen something so like lavish. That's not the right word. I don't know. It's just like everything's over the top. It's so cool though.
I know, right?
This is crazy, and it's a house I'll never have because I'll never be able to afford this, but this is amazing. Oh my gosh. I mean, you have pinball here, this rifle game, and an old-fashioned Coke machine. This is every kid's fantasy. It's amazing. Oh my god.
That's over there. What do you think of this, Steve?
They all know. Low rider power, baby, yeah.
Alright, so we're heading upstairs right now. Gonna check out floor 2 of this 17,000 square foot house. Alright, so we are in the master suite right here. Just check out this opulence. Giant chandelier. These carpets are so plush. Huge TV. Look at this bed. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this right here. This is like a resort in and of itself. I remember going to Hawaii and I saw something just like this. Can't imagine living here. Oh my god, I'm in shock right now, guys. This is the place where Flo Rida did Zillionaire. Check out this master bathroom right here. Oh my god, guys. It's like a jacuzzi, got that stained glass right here. Absolutely crazy shower. Wow, this is the nicest house I've ever been to. It's gotta be from like the 1940s. Sega. Look at all of these buttons, guys. All that dust collected on there. This is like stepping into a time capsule. Got an old Coca-Cola machine here. Old Coca-Cola vending machine. All of these Japanese models. Just so much cool stuff all around here. Man, there's another room up here. Kosh, what do you think?
Dude, I don't even know what to make of it. Like, this is so crazy. I mean, right out.
It dead ends.
It dead ends?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's just some paintings in there.
They're just paintings?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fish. I just want to eat it.
We're up on the 3rd floor of the house right now, and I gotta tell you, there are so many, every room you go into in this house, there's more and more hidden treasures. I mean, if you're not into retro stuff like I am, you just gotta look at some of this stuff and kind of appreciate what it is. This thing is cool though. Have you ever seen a Coca-Cola bottle like this? There are glass bottles of Coca-Cola that are so collectible, but have you ever seen one with a skinny shape?
Heading up to the roof right now, guys.
That's a bunch of it.
Oh, wow. Check this out, guys. Absolutely incredible. Got the mountains back here, more mountains, cars down there. 360 views, as Stradman says. Views on views on views.
just check out all these mansions in every direction. We got the mountains over there. Way out in the distance is Universal Studios, and downtown LA is like right.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello. Bye-bye. Bye. SpongeBob. Bye. Bye. SpongeBob. Bye. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Bye.
This is almost like a resort, guys, but it's somebody's house.
It's like the freaking Ritz-Carlton. It's crazy.
This is like 3 feet here, so be careful. That's maybe like 4. That's 9 over there. So if you want to jump in, I'd go up the waterfall. Yeah. Unless you're very careful.
Fail.
POV. easy.
See you, Stratman. Great to meet you, brother.
Take care.
Take it easy.
Thank you so much, Steve, for inviting me out. Had an amazing time meeting the Stradman Effspot, hanging out at a 17,000 square foot house with all these amazing cars. I can't imagine a better day. This is like the highlight of my year. And then riding away in a 1971 Hakosuka GTR. Check out that exhaust, guys. Absolutely incredible. Hopefully I'll get to feature this car again on the channel. Bring it to you guys soon. You'll see Steve again in some of my other videos. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to me. Be sure to subscribe to Steve. Follow me on Instagram at CarVisionLA. Follow Steve on Instagram at StevesPOV. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.
Steve's POV too. Check out CarVision, my buddy Inesh. He's a good guy. He's a young YouTuber. I like him. He's been helping me out, and I support what he's got going. You too, check him out, and we'll see you again soon.